Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, Monday, July the 10th, 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles in the evening, the 1-star and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's the binary puzzle, binary time. And this one will be number 6732. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here in the first column, so the rest are O's. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Well. Then double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 2 minutes. Well. This one is very quick to solve. But we solve again. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. Tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.